Hey guys, this is Fundo on Pagama. Tonight on Uzalo, please like, comment, and subscribe. Mtambisi goes to Commissioner Stolle to tell that Mondli is still investigation about him, and Mtambisi wants Commissioner Stolle to talk with Mondli to stop about investigation about him. And Stolle order Mondli to stop investigation about Mtambisi. While Nkazmulo is ungrateful for a gift he get from Kunzi, and Kunzi is happy to give his son a gift that he needs the most. But it seems like Pastor Kuala is not happy about Kunzi's gift on Kazmulo. While Casey is 10 at the returning of Mamlambo. Everyone is shocked that Mamlambo is back on Guamashu. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.